In this video, we'll see how flashcards can be used by the students as a self-assessment tool. So here we have two modes, one is study and second is play. We'll see them one by one. I'll click on flashcards. Here you can see we have three options. One is play. All the flashcards will be playing one by one. The terms and your definitions can be seen. Here we can click to see them one by one, and we can even shuffle them. We have options to change the pace of your audio. On this flashcard we can see we have two symbols. One is FM, audio can be heard of the term, and this is star to study them separately. Now the second one is learn. Here we can see each of the flashcard will be asked 2 times. When you get it as correct first time, it will be called as familiar. When you get it correct as second time, you will be called as mastered. So this is the definition, and 4 options of the terms are given. We have to click which is correct. If you have selected the correct one, it will give us familiar. If we select a wrong one, it will show that you have given a wrong answer. You have to study it again. The third one is write. Here we have to write the name of that term, and if it is correct, it will show as correct, and if we write something else, it will show as wrong. Now if we take spell, we have to spell out the term according to the definition given. We'll see the test. Here it will automatically generate 4 types of questions. One is written question, second is match the following, and multiple choice question, true or false questions. Based on the study set, you have to give the correct answers and you can see whether you have passed or not. Now comes the interesting part, which is play. The first one is match. As you can see, we have to click on start game. All the terms and your definitions will be given. We have to match each one accordingly. Now we have to see where the definition of your communication is there. If you place it on top of it, it will get disappeared. We have to do all this for all the terms which are present. If we click on any wrong one, it will show it as red color and it will not go. The time of this will be recorded, and you can see the place of how many have played and what is your rank. Now the next one is gravity. This is like old game which we see. Again we have to click get started. We have options. Either you want to play with the definition, or you can play with the term, or it can be selected random. We can select the difficulty level. You can play only with all of the terms or only with the starred ones. Grading options will be decided if you want to select correctly, or if only one term or some other spelling, if it is gone also, if you want it to be corrected, then require only one answer has to be clicked. Now let's go. If you miss it, this asteroid twice, it will destroy your planet. So as you can see, the definition has come. You have to click the term and it will get disappeared. If you do not click, then it will place on your earth. The last feature which is available only with the teacher is live. It is like quizzes. We can create a game here. You can play it individually or you can play it with teams. Now if you select teams, the teacher has to decide the students into teams. I'll select individual. We can play it according to the definition or we can play it according to the terms. It is up to us. When we select this, out of all the flashcards, 6 flashcards will be selected and will be asked for playing the game. It will automatically generate a code. You can share this with your students and you can even use this QR code or you can copy the game link and share it wherever in the platform. We have options here to switch on and off the music. I have selected as off so that I can record my voice. It will wait for a minimum of 2 players, similar to Kahoot. When they join, their names will be displayed here. So I have joined one player here. We can copy this game link and open it in incognito window. It is connecting with Quizlet Live. The name of the participant will be asked and then click Let's Go. All the participants will be given the same question. When the number of questions is 6, whoever gives the first correct answer will be displayed as winner. It is very interesting and it can be used as an icebreaker during an online class. Thank you.